44?
45.
45. Hey everybody, BBN Adventures here with park number 45. Bob Arnold.
Park is a park, backpack, and a pool!
And a pool. That's right, Bob Arnold, Northside Park. Got it right that time. Pool, splash pad, playground, tennis courts, galore. And
just like the other video.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun.
Swimming.
Who's ready for fun? We're gonna
Just
swim.
like the other
That guy's
video
ready.
where I was swimming underwater.
Yeah, check out the other video where we were swimming in water. We probably do the same today. So park number 45, who's ready?
Easy.
Easy. All right, here we go.
Let's go check out the pool and the splash pad. Emmett. Is it cold? It's actually warm. You gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Splash. Whoa.
Are you sleeping? Don't sleep. Give us sleeping what? Evan! Evan! What are you doing? Evan! What do you think? Stop flashing.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
Now do it to me. Ready?
There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa, pick up the speed. Look. Go faster. Whoa. Made it. Camden, how was it? Oh boy. Camden, how was the blue one? Nice.
How far was that one on the grid?
It's dark in there. That's scary.
But it's awesome.
Okay, going outside. You ready?
Yeah. How about you go in the green one? Because it's dark, then it's white.
Okay. You want to take the camera?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You want the blue one?
Yeah.
That's the goofiest looking bridge slide I ever seen. Whoa! Oh. Whoa! Super speed.
It's like a kaleidoscope.
Kaleidoscope.
A kaleidoscope is lots of pieces and 3 mirrors. Then more.
Where'd you learn that?
Yeah, I think these.
What's in there? Is that? It looks like a telescope. Is it a kaleidoscope?
Yeah, look through.
Oh, it is a kaleidoscope. I can't focus in there.
See? It's right there.
Ow.
How
Oh.
can I climb up this guy?
Can't get out.
You
Stop.
stuck, are you?
It's not, I mean, it's tight. It's not like I'm sweating tight. Like I'm starting to sweat tight. Like I don't. Okay. It's not funny. No. No, we gotta go sideways a little bit. There, okay. Hips through.
A door!
No.
A door!
Look through the door. I don't. No. Okay.
You
Go
did
ahead.
it! Is it still not hot?
Sliders.
It's not hot. Go.
Ready. Sliders. Slide. Ooh.
Was it everything you thought it'd be?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A rock.
What's it say?
Be good!
And what are you gonna do? Hide it?
Yes!
What if somebody finds the rock?
Down the road is our find our rock.
Okay, go hide it, buddy.
Got our fairy door. We're gonna go put it out by a tree. And here we go. Follow us.
All right, we are all done here at Bob Arnold Northside Park.
Wait.
What was your favorite part of the park?
Slides.
The slides.
Emma, what was your favorite part?
Amazing!
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay. Daddy, what was your favorite part?
I'm gonna say the splash pad and kid pool area. It's nice.
So, thank you all for joining us. Comment down below. Let us know what your favorite part of this video was. We'd love to hear from you. Oh, my favorite part was the slides.
Oh my gosh. Sorry,
The
I forgot to ask you.
slides. Do it again. You don't have to ask me because nobody ever does.
I asked.
It's fine. I'll ask
At the
myself.
time.
Kim
Anyway,
asked you last time.
Kim and Emma sometimes ask me because they loved me. They're sweet.
I love you so much. I'm sorry.
Alright, well, comment down below. Let us know what your favorite part of the video was. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications on our next video.
Ding!
And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Be fun, be cool, be the end.
Baby Adventures.
You guys have a YouTube channel?
Yes, we have a YouTube channel, right?
Wait for someone.
Ooh.
BBN Adventures.
BBN Adventures? Yeah, they're on
Yeah,
YouTube. Find one of our channels. They're going to do one.
We're doing all the parks in Fort Wayne.
Yeah. And this one of them right now.
That's right. What number is this?
45?
I think so. Okay. Oh, jeez. Flash. Wait.
Let me have this for a second.
Motorboat. What's in there? Climb out of a wall. Wow.